In today's video, we are going to show you how to verify your account here in Expert Option. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. Account verification helps confirm your identity, improves account security, and may be required before making withdrawals. Once you are logged in, I want you to click the profile, which can be found on the left side area of the navigation. If you click on it, you see that there are multiple tabs. All I have to do is go to the document to check what requirements needed to verify your account. And as you can see, before you can verify your account, you need to first make your deposit. Since this is a newly created account, we don't have any activities yet, so I need to make a deposit. Let's say you choose the payment method for depositing an account. You can choose a different currency. Let's say I am going to deposit my first money here on my account, and then you will be asked to provide a valid identification documents. Please take note, accepted documents includes passport, driver's license, national ID card, and you need to upload clear, high-quality photos or scans showing all documents detail. Make sure the document clearly shows your name, address, and issue date. If you have deposited funds using a bank card or other payment method, Expert Option may ask you to verify it, and all I have to do is follow the on-screen instructions and upload any requested documents while ensuring sensitive details are protected according to the platform's guidelines. After uploading all required documents, review everything carefully, click Submit to send your verification request for review. Expert Options verification team will review your submitted documents. Processing times may vary depending on the document and account activity. You will receive a notification or email once the review is complete. Basically, that's it for today's video on how to verify your account here in Expert Option. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.